In this video, I will be solving the matchup problem of AP-1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement now. Given two arrays that are of the same length containing strings, compare the first string in one array to the first string in other array, the second to second, and so on. Count the number of times the two strings are non-empty and start with same character. The strings may be of any length including 0. So in the matchup method, we will be given two string arrays A and B respectively, and we need to check or make a comparison between the corresponding elements. And the condition to be checked is that both of the corresponding strings should be non-empty and both of them should start with same character. In case we find this condition to be satisfying, then we increment the count of result by 1 and finally we return back the result. If we see the first example, double A and triple A satisfy the condition. Double B and double X does not satisfy, and double C and double B also do not satisfy. Hence the result is 1. For second example, these two satisfy the condition. Double B and B also satisfy the condition, but double C and double B do not satisfy the condition. Hence the result is 2. Finally, double A and empty string, they do not satisfy the condition. Double B empty string also do not satisfy the condition. Only the last pair of the elements satisfy, that is double C and triple C. Hence the result is 1. So how to solve it? First of all, what we can do is we can create a separate helper method to check these conditions, that the two strings are non-empty and they start with same character, which can be done like public boolean, and what shall we name it? Maybe something like non-empty same char, or add r here, r non-empty and same char. Okay, which will be accepting two strings, string s1, string s2. It needs to return true when s1 is non-empty, for which we can write s1 how do we write string to be non-empty? Let me see here. String s1 equal to this, s1 is empty. Okay, so is non-empty. Similarly, s2 is also non-empty, and finally they both start with same character, for which we can write s1 dot char at 0 is equal to s2 dot char at 0. So this will be able to check the following conditions. And now what we do is we maintain a result variable and initialize it with 0 value, and we start traversing the string arrays using a for loop. I is less than a dot length. As a matter of fact, b dot length also will give us the same result only, and I plus plus. Now we check this condition. If r non-empty and having the same char, a of I, that is this element, and b of I, which is this element. If both of them follow the given conditions, then we increment the result by 1. And finally, we return back the result. So this is the entire code. Let's copy it in IDE and run the test cases to verify the logic. Add static here. Remove the extra lines. Yes. Now let's run the test cases to verify. Okay, first one is failing. Why? Actual 2. Which one is failing? 1. First one is failing. Okay. These are satisfying and these are, yeah, 2 should come. Okay, I have used incorrect data here, that's why. Now it should give 1 only. Yes. All of the test cases are passing. Now let's submit this code on the platform. Copy the method. Remove static from here. Run it. All correct. Now finally let us push the code to GitHub. And verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.